got a lot of stress on my mind. It's a nice day to go. Yeah, I gotta learn. I'ma call up the whole team.
Hey, what's up, guys? This is Team Hard Life Captain Alberto, and I'm back at the shop. Been turning and burning, and it's been crazy because all the video footage that I got from this weekend, I've been trying to work it in to get it edited and posted up and catching back up from what I missed. And granted, I only missed a few hours of Saturday, but it's just been crazy, which is good. I mean, I'm not complaining, I'm just trying to catch up. So, with that being said, I've got a few boxes that have been shipped in. Even while at the tournament, we got a reel that was shipped with us. You know, he was like, might as well get it, get it to you now instead of having to ship it down. I said, and he should be in a few weeks to come pick it up as well, or we're gonna ship it back, one of the two. So we'll be spooling up this one for him right there, which is a Penn International 30, which is very nice. And then we've got some boxes that came in, and I know I've got a box opener somewhere. Got it. All right, so now, just a heads up, y'all saw the weigh-in video for that tournament. Now, here's a little portion about that I didn't put in there. See, that beach that we fished on, there was actually 2 tournaments going on. Yes, I could have won them both with the same shark. I'm so not upset, not mad, but I'm not happy either because it could have been an epic way to finish a weekend, catching one shark, win 2 tournaments. The biggest shark for the other tournament, I believe, was 5.5 foot, and mine was 8.6. So even in our tournament, the same thing. The biggest shark that came in was 5.5 foot. So I'm just saying, guys, that it speaks volumes when you're using the right gear, the right tackle, and a lot of teamwork. I mean, the guys that went with me, I mean, they really did help out a lot, and I was teaching a lot as well. So it goes hand in hand. Now, the deal with Cortland, they have sent me some new line. What is it? 500-pound test. Yeah, baby. So, it's 150 foot. It's 500 pound. Oh, wow. Now, the only bad thing about this is it's not spliceable, is what they were saying, because obviously the tight weave and stuff like that. But let me show you something real quick. I've got some 300-pound Jerry Brown here. Hold on real quick. So this is 300-pound Jerry Brown right here. The label's falling off because I've had it here for so long. However, I wanted to just show y'all side by side real quick. Alright. Look at that. They're almost identical, but at the same time they're not. Obviously one is hollow core, the other one is not. But that's pretty close for 300 to 500 pound test. So with this one, they're looking at making a super spectra that is real small diameter. I said, man, that would be a real good thing, because I know a lot of guys that like to go drop monster size line, and they have to go with really big reels because they have to, to have a good amount of line capacity to drop down. And basically it's just Goliath grouper fishing is all they're basically doing. But at the same time, having a little bit more line, maybe they can drop down to a smaller reel. Instead of the T-Rex 80, they can drop it down to the T-Rex 50. So food for thought on that. So we are going to be looking at doing that. And then, I don't know what this is. And yes, I still have the Master Braid by Cortland that I have not started any testing on. I've been playing catch up over here, but I will get to it very soon because I want to see line capacity, I want to see casting. You know me, I'm going to test it all the way around. Oh, we got a reel here. It's a pin reel. Actually, we got some spools. Here. Okay, I remember this conversation now. Instead of him shipping me the whole reel, he decided to ship me just the spool so I can spool up his line. So we got a large spooling section. It looks like what's happening here. That's pretty smart. So yes, guys, you can ship us your spinning reel so we can get them spooled up, but you don't have to ship us the whole reel. So save yourself on shipping and do what he did. So we got 6 spools from the pin reels right there that we got to fill up, which is awesome. Good. Can't wait for that one. Okay. Next we got. Wait for this one. Oh yeah, baby. Let's see. We've got an LX Raptor here. Yes, an LX. Gold right there. Boom. We also got them in a G2 status as well. So we're looking at getting into the reels. Good way to start it. That off. LX in gold. Yes, sir. Right there. One. Got another LX in gold. Very nice. Another LX Raptor right here in green. Love it. We've been waiting for LXs for a minute there too. Yes. Got another LX Raptor in green. What do we? Ooh, we got a purple LX. Yeah. Yes. And actually, too, this was dropped off to us yesterday as well, or the other day. It's an Ultra GRA XTD, and it's a long cast. And this one's a 14,000. But he says he has a 20,000 that he also wants to bring by for us to check out. So we're going to be spooling that one up as well for several videos. Yes, sir. Do that. we got in here? It's glass because we've been hurting for LXs there for a minute. We're finally getting them in. Ooh. Go in. Got our last one right here. Ooh. There we go. So we've got 8 LX Raptors in the house. We've got 2 G2 LX MC 2 speeds. And we got a bunch of MXLs, we got a bunch of SXs. We got HXW Raptors in the house. We even have an HXW or an HX 3-speed gunmetal as well. So, yep, very nice. We've got a red, pink, blue, or red, pink, and green HXW Raptors. Got 380s, red, purple, gunmetal, and 50s. We got a red and a purple. And yeah, the 2 T-Rex 130s can't sell because one of them is a winner and the other one could be a winner depending on when we sell out of the 130. Yes, I still have not selected the ticket for number 6 because I have not been able to sit down to go through, and what I've been doing is a lot of y'all have been sending me screenshots of when it initially came through, which that really helps because I was trying to go through the picture, but once I zoom in too much, it gets blurred on me. So a few of y'all have already been doing that and saying that you couldn't really see your ticket on there, and you have been forwarding me the screenshot of when I sent it to you and stuff. So that really does help. And like I said, I'm not gonna say no to it. I was just trying to save a lot of people a lot of that work, but I'm gonna go through every single one of them tickets to make sure those 60 of them are there, and I'll be sure to do a clearer picture once this all goes through. So all right, guys, I'm really excited. That's taken a while. I definitely want to make it happen as quickly as possible because David Bassan has already come in and claimed his prize. The other winner is already got in contact with me, but I need to get back in contact with him because trying to come back from the tournament, like I said, I fall behind on things and I'm playing catch up over here and stuff like that. But we will get it done. Like I said, we got one more drawing to go, and I'm gonna probably take a little hiatus for a little bit, but I don't know yet. It all depends how much y'all want us to start another drawing. But I'm not gonna start a new one until we sell out of that 130 because I need to clear that one off. A lot of the guys have been on that drawing for a while, so I want to go ahead and clear it out. And like I said, I think there's 24 tickets left available on it, something like that. So again, through Cash App, $ Team Hard Live, and or call the shop 361-334-2171 if you want to get in on that drawing. And again, like I said, it's for a T-Rex 130 with a custom made rod, fully spooled with tackle and the Vexen bag. But you don't have to stay with that. You can go with smaller rod and reel combos like MXL or LXs or maybe a 50, a couple of 50s or whatever. I already have the price set at about $4,000. So whatever tackle it is, that's what your limit is. So instead of going with the big one, you can go with a bunch of small ones. It'll be your call. You're the winner. So like I said, but it's all stuff that we sell in-house, Avid reels, custom-made rods, and stuff like that. So definitely look forward to selling that ticket out and see which way y'all go with that one. All right, guys.